Hey y'all, what's up? Welcome back to my channel. In this video, I'll be showing you how I create my everyday, what I wear to work look. Bold red lips, simple eye, and you come out with this glamified look, you know what I'm saying? So if you're interested on how I achieved this look, please continue watching. Oh, and don't forget to hit the subscribe button. Don't forget. Okay, so I've already flat ironed the back of my hair. I'm now gonna move to the front. So I'm using my Conner flat irons, and of course my hair is from Divine Elegance Hair. You guys already know that's who I've been promoting here lately. Such a great hair company. I'm so glad that I partnered with them to get out some honest opinions and honest reviews on my social media. And the hair has been doing me so much justice. If you guys didn't know, the first pair or the first batch of hair that I got from Divine Elegance was the kinky curly hair. I have a review of that hair and packaging, and that hair lasted me about 4 months. I still have it. I just have to like deep condition it, but it was like 4 months until I had to like say, okay, Jaleesa, like you wore the hair out, girl, take it out and deep condition it. It is virgin hair, so it's able to be washed and conditioned and repaired, so that's a good thing. This is a sew-in. I always get questions like, especially when I had the Peruvian curly hair, I always had questions like, is that a lace front? Is that a lace front? And I'm like, no, girl. When I had my kinky curly, people thought it was a lace front, but it goes so well with my hair texture, so it looked like it was just too real to be true. So I'm using a brush. You can use a comb, but I'm using a wig brush to do like the comb through method. I kind of like this one, like this technique better because it grasps onto more hair. Now if you wanted like a super sleek bone straight look, then you could use a comb because it will make it more fine, you know. But I kind of like mine to be like a thick straight, you know. I don't want it to be like super flat and sleek. I'm so lazy when it comes to flat ironing my hair, so like when I'm doing the back, I make sure that I clip up the front so that I can really get the back, so it won't have like any crinkles or anything in it. But when it comes to the front, girl, I just be grabbing wherever I think needs to be flat ironed. And so now I'm just taking my leave out and creating my part. I haven't had a side part in so long, you guys. It's like, it feels so different having a side part. All right, now to get these edges on fleek, it is time to lay and slay these edges, okay? Oh, that kind of rhymes. So for edge control today, I'll be using the Edges on Fleek by Christina Cooper. This is my boo. Oh my gosh. Like, I'm so happy that I met this girl. It was crazy. I was following her and I was such a huge fan of her work. And then BET weekend, I met her like outside, and then I worked with her like a couple weeks later, y'all. Like, it was crazy. I got this from my beauty supply store here in Crenshaw. This edge control smells so good, and it's so good for natural hair. Oh my gosh, yes, yes, yes. I was like going with the brush, but I'm actually in the mood to do it with my finger. And this edge control is black, and it also comes in clear. I'm just gonna tie those edges down and let all of that good Edges on Fleek by Christina Cooper marinate into my edges, and then I'm gonna start on my face. I'm applying my Makeup Forever as my primer. Here lately, I've been using this Sephora Make No Mistake concealer. I really love how sticky the consistency is, because once I start putting products on top, it does not budge, and I don't have any holes in my foundation. This concealer plays no games at all. I'm going in with my damp beauty blender and I'm bouncing and blend it out. I'm actually testing out the Dior foundation today. I will give like an initial review in my next video on how it did for me, but as you can see, this one has like a really warm undertone because my concealer was so cool. When I go in with a warm undertone foundation, it's just gonna make everything look so flawless and well blended together. Also, girl, don't forget to pull your bandana or your headscarf back just a smidge and make sure you tuck those edges because we don't want any places where it look like you did not put makeup, okay? So I'm gonna go with my Paris Hilton kabuki brush and I'm gonna start blending this out. I'm avoiding the under eye area because I'll be putting concealer there. I want very minimal product right there because your under eye is a very sensitive area, and that's why it gets caked up a lot because that skin right there is so delicate and it's just like, why do you have all this crap on me? So as you can see, you cannot see my acne scars under my foundation. Now before you probably could because I wasn't color correcting. That stuff has really helped me in my foundation routine. I'm gonna go with the darker shade of the Dior foundation to contour. So I just applied this with the brush. And to blend this out, I'm going back in with my beauty blender. I'm just gonna start bouncing and blending. And make sure you're blending in an upward motion and not a down motion. Now I'm just going back in with my foundation brush and I'm cleaning up around that contour and blending out my foundation into the contour. For concealer today, I'm going in with a NARS Creamy Concealer. And all of the information will be down in the description box. And this concealer, y'all, is the bomb. The bomb. And along the sides of the nose. I apply just a little bit, like right here in the center of my forehead. So I'm going back in with my beauty blender, but with the opposite end. This is the end I apply my foundation. This is the end I'll do my concealer. And after this concealer dries down just a little bit so that it can stay in place, I'm going to start blending it out. Now that the liquids are done, I'm going to go in with my Sacha Buttercup powder. After I set my highlight, I like to contour with my Sephora Contour Blush palette. Let me stop you before you start. I don't need to show. Nah, I ain't got. I go in with my blush shade, and I just lightly brush it on the apples of my cheeks. Now I just go with a fluffy brush and I brush away all of that excess powder. For highlight, I like to go with my Urban Decay All Nighter Spray. Your face is kind of damp. You want to go ahead and start your highlighting. I feel like when your face is kind of damp or wet, it really clings onto the highlighter and it makes it pop. Today I'm going to be using the Tartest Pro Glow Palette, you guys. This comes with 4 beautiful highlighting shades and 2 contour shades. I love this palette. It is seriously like the best birthday gift that I've gotten in a while because I'm so excited to use it. And I'm going to start up here. Oh my gosh, that is so pretty. Oh yes. And on this side, I think I'm gonna try Fire. I'm excited to see how that one looks. Ooh, so that's more like a golden undertone. For my nose highlight, I like to use this Sephora highlight brush. It has a very dome top. So good for highlighting. And I'm gonna go in with the shade Lit to highlight my nose. This brush picks up a lot of this product, so you have to be careful. I'm gonna go in with Played Out from my Perception palette, and I'm going to apply this into the crease. For the lid, I'm just going in with my finger and I'm applying culture on the lid. Before I apply my lashes, I'm going in with Played Out and Revenge Again, and I'm mixing the two on the e.l.f. smudge brush, and I'm going to tight line my bottom waterline. For lashes, I'm going to pop on my S&A lashes in the style Carmen. Alright, and last but not least, I'm going to go in with my Fenty Beauty Lip Stunner paint. This stuff is the bomb, bomb diggity bomb bomb.
Seems like all we do is argue. Yeah, I know it's hard, we got to make a move or somebody gon' get hurt. It's a war inside my heart.
Okay, so makeup is all done. It's time to take this hair out the wrap. Look at my edges. And I'm gonna go in with some of this IT Hair Care 12-in-1 Amazing Serum. This serum is so bomb, super lightweight, and it's not too greasy for my hair. Cause y'all know I don't like no greasy hair. I like just a little bit of shine. So I rub it into my hands really good, and then I kind of finger comb it into my hair and on my leave out, especially so that it looks like it's my hair. Like I have to. Also, all of the hair details will be down below, so don't be commenting and be like, hey, where you get your hair from? It's down below in the description box, girl. Go check it out. Get you some Divine Elegance bundles.